Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I want to change a little bit our introduction here. I just want to thank everybody for the month of January. We have over 20,000 views and we have 3 homes under contract. Okay, so let me not take too much of your time and let's start this tour. This home is located in the northwest part of Cape Coral. It has 3 bedrooms, 1 den. It has a stunning kitchen. It has an outdoor kitchen, also very nice, next to the pool, and walk-in closets. It has approximately 2,000 square feet, so it's a nice big size. And I'm gonna just let you see it. Let me know what you think about it in your comments below, and I'll be back at the end of the tour. Okay, towards the end of the tour. Okay, hope you enjoy it, and let me know what you think. If you're new to the channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Hello, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful home. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below or give us a call at 239-410-7372. I just want to let you guys know that my wife and I have been selling real estate in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers for over 20 years. And if you're looking for a home like this, please feel free to contact us, okay? And I hope that you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned now for my playlist that's going to be showing up right now. You can click on it and continue seeing my latest videos. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.